Welcome to Academic Game Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between efficiency and effectiveness, two important concepts in management, business, and everyday decision-making. Although these terms are often used together, they have different meanings and objectives. Let's understand their differences one by one. Number 1. Efficiency means doing things in the right way with minimum waste of resources, whereas effectiveness means doing the right things to achieve desired goals. Number 2. Efficiency focuses on the process of completing a task, whereas effectiveness focuses on the final outcome or result. Number 3. The objective of efficiency is to use resources optimally, whereas the objective of effectiveness is to accomplish goals and objectives successfully. Number 4. Efficiency answers the question, how can we do things better? Whereas effectiveness answers the question, are we doing the right things? Number 5. Efficiency is measured by comparing inputs and outputs such as time, cost, and resources, whereas effectiveness is measured by the extent to which goals are achieved. Number 6. Efficiency is indicated by productivity, speed, and resource utilization, whereas effectiveness is indicated by goal achievement, impact, and successful outcomes. Number 7. Efficiency is generally short-term oriented, whereas effectiveness is more long-term oriented. Number 8. Efficiency aims to minimize waste and maximize resource usage, whereas effectiveness ensures resources are used for the most important purposes. Number 9. Efficiency emphasizes doing more with less, whereas effectiveness emphasizes doing what matters most. Number 10. Efficiency is concerned with converting inputs into outputs effectively, whereas effectiveness is concerned with the quality and impact of the results produced. Number 11. Efficiency improves methods, systems, and operational processes, whereas effectiveness improves strategies, decision-making, and organizational goals. Number 12. High efficiency may result in doing the wrong task very well, whereas high effectiveness ensures the right task is completed even if it takes more resources. Number 13. In business, efficiency may involve producing more units at lower cost, whereas effectiveness involves producing products that truly satisfy customer needs. Number 14. Efficiency increases employee productivity and streamlines work processes, whereas effectiveness helps employees create meaningful value and achieve objectives. Number 15. The ultimate benefit of efficiency is saving time, reducing costs, and increasing output, whereas the ultimate benefit of effectiveness is achieving goals, creating impact, and delivering value. To summarize, efficiency is about doing things right, while effectiveness is about doing the right things. Organizations and individuals achieve the best results when they combine both efficiency and effectiveness together. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.